Welcome to the world of universal ads. Universal ads enables brands of all sizes to seamlessly make and buy commercials across the biggest names in TV, helping you reach new, qualified audiences at scale. With all of the biggest industry players in one place, no hidden fees or minimums, Universal Ads makes TV buying as easy as buying on social. Once you've signed up and activated your account, navigate to manage.universalads.com and log in using your username and password. After you've logged in, you'll land on the Manage Ads dashboard. Here you can see a holistic view of your Universal Ads campaign and performance. You can view things like your account spend, your impressions, and your CPMs. A CPM represents the cost that you will pay as an advertiser for every 1,000 impressions, aka views, an ad receives. You can view these data points by using the date picker in the top right-hand corner to select your desired time frame. This date range will also apply to the reporting section below, where you can view detailed metrics across the campaign level, your ad set level, and your ads. If you click Export in the top right-hand corner, you can download all of these metrics as a CSV file, including specific time parameters and different breakdowns. Now let's create a campaign. This is designed to be simple and purposely feels just like buying ads on social media ads managers if you've used those before. Navigate to the top left-hand corner and click on the 3-line button. Under Advertise, you'll hit Create Ads. From here, you'll be prompted to choose the type of campaign that you want to run on Universal Ads. A Performance Plus campaign helps you reach your target audience wherever they're watching TV across our 20-plus content publishers like Fox, Roku, and NBC Universal, while Content Select allows you to reach customers during specific shows and live moments that they love, like the Milan Cortina 2026 Winter Olympic Games. For this demo, we're going to select Performance Plus. You'll then first land on the campaign level. This is the outer shell that houses all of the information for your campaign. First, give your campaign a name. Then you'll select the specific objective for your campaign. An awareness campaign will drive visibility and reach, while a conversion campaign requires placing a pixel so that you can track specific actions on your website. If you have any questions about installing a pixel, just search our help center, but we'll talk a little bit more about that later in this demo. At the campaign level, a lifetime budget and start date in the future are required. From here, you can toggle on a frequency cap if you want to control how often viewers see your ads in any given day or week, or you can choose to leave that off as well. Make sure that your status is set to active and then hit Next. Now you're at the ad set level. This is where you're going to define the details of your campaign, including things like bids, targeting, and more. You can create multiple ad sets within a single campaign to test out different strategies. First, give your ad set a name. The more specific, the better. Next, you'll select your bid. Your bid is the maximum CPM that we will use to deliver your ad. You can bid at your desired level or slightly below and adjust over time to optimize performance. If you're unsure of where to start, we recommend $10 so that you can be competitive against most of our inventory. Daily and lifetime budgets are required at the ad set level, along with a start date in the future. From here, if we think about a streaming TV campaign, we generally recommend that you give it at least 3 to 6 weeks, as TV ads have proven to be the most effective when you hit your audience a few times over a steady duration. Think about the last time you bought something from a TV ad. The ad worked, but it might have been the second, third, or even fourth time that you saw it that pushed you over the edge. We don't want you to miss out on those new sales by cutting your campaign too short. So remember that when you're selecting an end date. Make sure your status is set to active. Then you can expand your Advanced Options tab, and here again you can enable this frequency cap Or you can utilize day parting to schedule your ads at a specific time or day of the week. If you're new to advertising and unfamiliar with these, don't worry. You don't need them right away, and you can always find more info on these best practices in our Help Center and turn them on at any time. If you selected a conversion campaign, it's time to set up your pixel. Make sure that this is toggled to green, and then hit the drop down and select Create Pixel. First, you'll give it a name, and this is typically based on what action you want to track. So your main website, a landing page, or maybe a conversion. Then you'll hit Continue. From here, this will pop out a code that you can download or copy to place in the header section of your website. By selecting Set Up Events, you can define exactly what actions you want to track, and that will generate the appropriate code snippet for you to implement on your website in the appropriate header. Once you've selected the pixel, you'll be able to view the code that corresponds, and again, you can download or copy it and place it in the correct header. Now you'll move into targeting. You can target based off of states, so you can include or exclude, or DMAs, as well as specific zip codes. You can also bulk upload lists of zip codes, states, and DMAs, which will save you lots of time. You can also target by ages, genders, advanced demographics such as education, household income, or shopping. You can include or exclude specific viewership behaviors, so targeting those audience traits of what they're watching. You can also select a custom audience, so uploading an email list of your customers to include or exclude from targeting. In addition, as you start to collect pixel data, you can build custom audiences off of that for retargeting or anti-targeting strategies. Advanced options also allows you to target specific device types or exclude certain content and language as well. If you're new to this, our best performing advertisers tend to follow a strong playbook. We recommend for you, first, avoid over-targeting. You'll see we have our potential reach meter over here, so if we're keeping this maybe too targeted, this will start to move to moderate to low. You want to start by setting up a campaign with maybe 1 to 2 targeting parameters max, and keep it to a few test dates or DMAs, ideally the ones where you actively have strong sales today, to concentrate your spend on making an impact. Our top advertisers avoid spreading too much out across too many locations too fast. As you run, you can set up different ad sets in the same locations and play around with different targeting or different bid options as well, and see how they perform. Then, after a few weeks, you can expand those states, you can expand those DMAs or zips, and increase your budget against what works. Once you have all of this in place, you'll hit Next. Now you're at the final step, the ad level. This is where your creatives live. Just like all the other steps, you'll give it a name. Ensure that your status here is set to active. Then you can either choose to select and upload your creative from your device, or if you've pre-uploaded it into the platform, you can select it here. Make sure to check out our UA creative requirements to ensure that your ad is eligible to run. This will link you out to our help center. Select your creative. Once you see it here, you will be able to make sure that it all looks good and it's the appropriate length. Once you see that preview, click Next. And here is your last step. You'll review your campaign to ensure everything looks correct. When you're ready, you'll hit Publish. Your campaign will go through a brief review and will begin running on your selected start date. If you want to see how your campaigns are performing, you can go back to your Manage Ads dashboard. And now we're back to look at our amount spent, our impressions, and things like our CPMs. As a pro tip, TV advertising acts a little bit different than social media, given how people consume TV. There is a little bit of a lagging effect for reasons mentioned earlier. People see a few ads before they buy. And because for most buyers, the more they see a TV ad, the more likely they are also to buy products by clicking on one of your other search or social ads later. This is what expert marketers call the halo effect. So, the smartest advertisers give it a week or two when running TV ads before checking performance and continue watching performance the couple weeks after their campaigns run, since the residual impact continues to drive lifted sales via your other channels. You'll have to reference your other ad platform dashboards for the latter part unless you're using one of our many measurement partners. But we encourage you to do so to see how TV not only drives direct sales, but also makes your other advertising work harder. For more pro tips like this, you can always check out our blog to see different things on how other people are utilizing universal ads, or you can always visit our help center for many of the things that we went through today. Or you can always reach out to us and our customer service team, who will be happy to get you going. Happy advertising.